Hey dear viewers, welcome back to Mr. Tech Fox. Now I'm going to guide you how you can change the theme of your Instagram app. You can either change the theme from light to dark or dark to light. But before doing that, I'm requesting you to subscribe the channel and also requesting to hit that like button. First of all, make sure that you have already downloaded the Instagram app on your phone. After downloading it, you need to open the app. After opening the app, you need to click on this option. And then you need to click on these three bars. Then we will see many options like this. We need to click on settings, and then if we scroll down here, then we will see the option to change the theme. If we click on dark mode, we will see three options here. If we click on button, then the dark mode will be opened, and if we click on off button, then the light mode will be opened. So this is pretty simple, and I think this video will help you a lot. So this is how you can change the theme of your Instagram account and convert to it either light from dark or dark to light. Thank you for watching.